Exclusivity and accessibility turn your dream home into reality. Strategically located along Molino Boulevard, Bacoor, Cavite. Accessible sa lahat dahil few minutes drive going to Las Piñas, Villar City, MCX, Alabang, Daang Hari, and Manila. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. One reopen unit, modern single detached house na may lot size na 137 square meters. At may provision ito for 2 carport. This is the actual turnover guys. Kaya naman makikita nyo, nagamat na lang ninyo ang kulang dahil complete finish na to upon turnover. Super spacious dahil ang ating floor area ay 97 square meters at meron pa tayong space for service area na pwede nyong gamitin for future home expansion. We have 1 toilet and bath sa ground floor at pagdating naman dito sa second floor, meron tayong 1 common toilet and bath at meron pa tayong toilet and bath